Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable PayPal crypto features to buy and track tokens. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your PayPal app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you are on the home screen, locate the crypto option in the menu. Tap on the crypto option to enter the cryptocurrency section. If you don't see the crypto option, make sure your app is updated. Follow any prompts to verify your identity if required. Once you're in the crypto section, look for a Get Started or Enable Crypto button. Tap that button to proceed with enabling crypto features on your account. Review the terms and conditions presented to you. Accept the terms to unlock the full range of cryptocurrency services. Next, you may be required to set up additional security measures for your account. Complete any verification steps, such as linking your bank account or credit card. After completing these steps, you can now buy cryptocurrencies. Select the type of cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Input the amount you want to invest in the selected crypto. Review the transaction details, including fees and total costs. Confirm your purchase by tapping the Buy button. Once the purchase is completed, your tokens will appear in your crypto wallet. To track your cryptocurrency, return to the crypto section. You will see a dashboard displaying your holdings and their current values. You can refresh this page to see updated market prices. Explore options for selling or transferring your tokens as needed. Remember to check back often for any new features or updates from PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.